Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse and a piece of Doric China to show you this morning. A cake plate, 8.25 inches square, extending to 9.5 inches between the handles. Really beautifully coloured brown and white transfer design, made sometime in the 1920s, we think, from the history on the China mark we'll show you in a minute. So you've got this very nice scroll-like rolling faunal design around the pattern rim, and then it's been hand coloured by the decorators in a variety of enamels, and then gilt highlights put on around the handles. There is some antique wear on this one. It would have had much richer gilt around the rims, just the remnants of it left now, and there would have been a gilt line around the central rim on the well in the centre, which is almost worn away, but that's giving it some of its patina and charm, isn't it? Otherwise, the glaze is in very fine condition, as you can see on the reflection there. Just look at that. Really nice and bright, hardly a knife mark on it. There are your Doric China, bone china, Longton, made in England marks. Really nicely conserved and printed for us on the base, together with a few brush marks from the decorators. Nice rims, very well moulded, a nice shape. Goes with the trios that we've been listing last week, I think, in this Doric China Brown Imari style. So the opportunity to put a part tea set together. We'll put link descriptions below taking you to the website listings. Apologies for the cough, and as usual, thanks for watching.